Hi teens and tweens, welcome to the December craft. My name is Jackie. Glad you could join me. This month we're going to make a snow candle holder, okay? And you're going to get a glass in your bag. I'll wrap it up for you nice and carefully, so hopefully it makes it home okay. And I've gone ahead and pre-glued the twine on the top for you, okay? Because that working with the hot glue gun is kind of hot, obviously. All right, then what you're going to do is you're also going to get some Mod Podge in your packet, and you're going to coat the whole jar with Mod Podge. Try to be careful you don't get too much on the twine, but it will dry, so it's not a real big deal. You can put your hand inside your glass to hold it while you twirl it around. And put the Mod Podge. You want to put lots of Mod Podge on there. You don't want it dripping, but you want to make sure that the Epsom salt, which is the step we're going to take next, is going to stick to your glass globe here. Okay. All right, so as you can see, I've got the Mod Podge on there. And then now I'm going to put it over a plate and I'm going to sprinkle Epsom salt over the top of my Mod Podge. And we'll send you home some Epsom salt because that's not something we necessarily have at our house. So I bought lots of Epsom salt for December crafts. Make sure the whole thing is covered with Epsom salt. And make sure that after you're all done with your project, please make sure you clean up because it wouldn't be much fun. I'm just going to roll it in here. If mom or dad or little sister or brother finds that there's Epsom salt all over the floor, not good. Okay. As you can see, it does make quite a mess. Okay, looks like maybe down here I didn't quite get enough Mod Podge. So this will be a little bit tricky, but you can do it. Just very carefully add some more Mod Podge. See, I did that right there. And we can put ahead and put some more on. There we go. Okay. I think I've got the whole thing covered now. And Epsom salt. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to, now this you probably need hot glue for, is I'm going to go ahead and give you some sparkly berries and leaves and stuff like that, and you're going to glue them on to your jar. And this time you probably will need a hot glue gun for that, but it should not be as bad as putting the twine on there. That was a little bit painful at times, only because I wasn't careful enough. So I'm trimming these a little bit more. I'm going to try to take this apart for you. Oops. Ahead of time, and then you can just go ahead and glue them back together. Okay, all right, so I'm going to take my hot glue gun here and very carefully glue on there, and then put that on to my jar. A little bit longer than I want it to be, so I'll just go ahead and press that up. And some berries on there. You might need to hold it for a second. Oops. Hopefully don't burn yourself, because I know that does hurt. I've done that several times now in the process of getting this craft ready. But if that happens, then just stop immediately. Go run your hand or your fingers under cold water and then dry them off and then go back to that again, because if you do it right away under cold water, that usually stops the burn. Oops, there we go. Okay. So I'm going to send you a bunch of different berries here, and you can just use as many as you like, or as few as you like. All right, I'm just going to add those there. And then I'm also going to send you home with a little tea light, okay? And you'll put the tea light inside your globe. And are you ready for this? I'm going to turn the lights off so you can see. All right, I will hold this up for you so you can see. All right, and then after you finish with your project, what you need to say is, ooh, ah, pretty. You got that? Let me hear you. Ooh, ah, pretty. All right, you enjoy your holiday season, and thanks so much for joining me. Bye.